Welcome to another video on crypto and stocks. So let's get started with the first news that is coming from India. Saurabh Mukherjea, one of the finest fund managers in India, has shared some of the stocks that he's investing and accumulating the stocks of this company. So let's have a look at what stocks he's talking about. So one of the stock is Aavas Financials, along with ICICI Lombard and Cholamandalam Finance. So these three stocks he's investing in, and also he's investing in Alkyla Mines and GMM Pfaudler, and in mid-cap IT he's investing in L&T Technology Services. Okay, so this is the list of the stocks he's bullish on right now. And when he's bullish on some stocks, it means that these stocks have gone through some of the quality filters, and then only invest, like return on equity and a lot of other parameters he looks at before investing. So you can think about these stocks if you want to invest for the next 4 to 5 years. Okay, let's move on to the next news. So next news is one tweet that has come from Akshay Barjate, and what he is saying is that whenever 1, 2, 3, 5 or 7 year CAGR returns are less than 5%, buy the crap out of the market. So whenever there is a downturn in the stock market, you have to invest heavily and increase your SIP allocations aggressively. And you have to do the reverse when the CAGR for the previous years is more than 18%. So which makes sense. Whenever there is a high returns, it is always followed by the low returns in the subsequent years, and vice versa. So you have to follow this strategy. This is one of the best strategies, I will say, if you want to invest in SIP, systematic investment plans. The next news is about the Stripe. Now Stripe is one of the leading payment provider across the world, and it's partnering with Apple to enable tap to pay on iPhone. So you can use iPhone as a EFT POS machine, so people can pay you by just tapping on your iPhone. So this is one of the, I will say, revolutionary news, I will say, because in India especially, there are different companies which are specifically founded to solve this problem. So there is a Paytm, there is a Bharat Pay, and several other companies related to the payments. But if Stripe is like, partnering with Apple, and if it partners with Google for the Android, then what will happen is that market share of these companies, Paytm and Bharat Pay, will go down substantially. So there is a big risk for those companies. But if you look at the Stripe, it is not listed company Stripe right now, but once it is listed, I am eagerly waiting for this company to get listed, and I will grab some shares of this company. And Apple is already listed, so you can go ahead and invest in Apple as well. But right now I will say Apple is very, very big company, and from here onwards it will not give very huge returns, but definitely it will compound your money by around 15 to 20%, I'll say, not more than that, because already its market cap is like crossing around $2 trillion. So it's a huge company, and maintaining that growth going forward is going to be a challenge. The next is coming from US. So US government now holds $3.6 billion of BTC. So US government is also holding Bitcoin. That means it's really positive news for the crypto investors. The next news is about the GALA. So GALA is a metaverse token, and they're going to invest $5 billion into the development of its NFTs. So good news for the stakeholders in GALA. Crypto could soon enter an inflection point of hyper adoption. Wells Fargo is saying this one. So one of the leading banks in United States is saying that crypto could soon enter an inflection point of hyper adoption. So most of the banks are very bullish on crypto, and so I am. Next news is about the KPMG in Canada said that it added Bitcoin and Ethereum to its corporate treasury as part of a commitment to emerging technologies and asset classes. So KPMG is also bullish. Next news is about Meta. So Meta is a new name for the Facebook. So Meta has been down like 30% in the last 1 week. But if you look at the crypto coins in the metaverse industry, Mana, Sand and AXS, they are almost 30% up. So moral of the story is metaverse will be decentralized, and the Facebook is actually planning to build the metaverse, which will be centralized. But what this tweet is talking about is metaverse is gonna be decentralized. That means people are bullish on Mana, Sand, AXS as compared to Meta, and that's the reason Meta is down by 30%, while these coins, cryptocurrency coins in the metaverse space, have almost gone up by 30%. The next news is about the Polygon. So Polygon is founded in India, and it's a layer 2 solution for the Ethereum problems. And what people are saying is that it is you can compare it to the AWS by Amazon. So AWS is Amazon Web Services, and Polygon is gonna be solving the similar problem but in decentralized way. And good news is that they have raised $450 million to scale the Ethereum. So Secure Capital has invested that much money, and it's really good news for the investors in Polygon. I have also already bought some Polygon tokens and cryptocurrencies, and I'm bullish on Polygon. So if you hold on those coins for the next 10-20 years, that will make massive returns. That's it in today's video. If you have more questions related to the cryptocurrencies, stocks, do let me know through the comments. I will definitely try to answer your questions and try to make the videos that are relevant to your comments. I will see you in next video. Till then, enjoy your time.